Hello everyone, welcome back to another interesting video. How you can make 360-degree flare and it turn out very neat like this. Let me turn my back. Do you see there is no zip at the back? The zip will position at the side. So let's go and start. Welcome back to Naked Handmade YouTube channel. Here is the material: Ankara fabric and paper interface. I folded my fabric into two to make it four-fold. You can see the folded side down and the opening part at the front. That is how you're going to be. You watch the angle point that I'm touching. We're going to take our measurement there. I cut out from my 6 years, 2 years. I'm using 4 years for this. So I'm going to keep that one aside for the top one. Now you're going to take your waist measurement divided by 4. My own is 9.5, which I'm placing at the rough curve, like you can see that. Any point that you reach there, I have to mark that point. Then I will do next thing is to check the point. You can see that I'll go ahead and extend the point, take it in a round form like you see me do. And that's what you're going to take for the waist part. Next one you see me imputing now, the length of this skirt, which is 45, including the seam allowance. You see where I'm placing my tape and see how I'm curving that. This is how you connect it all around till you get to the end. We're done with this part. I've gone ahead and cut out the parts you're seeing right now, the top and also the length. Here is going to be 2 pieces when you open it up, like you can see. This is how you can get that. What I'm doing, showing you right now, I'll place the right side facing the right side. I'll go ahead and stitch at the side first, and I'll stitch the other side. But I'm going to attach the zip at the one side of this, either left or right. The length of my zip is 9 inches. I've gone ahead and prepared the band, which the weight I use for the band in total is 4 inches, but I place it on fold to arrive to 2 inches weight. Now, before you place your zip, I'll go ahead and stitch the band to that. But first of all, I will go ahead and stitch one side of the skirt like you see me showing you. Then I will attach my band. Although I left some parts, I will show you what I did and how I stitched the band. Before I cut out the excess of this band, let me show you something. Go ahead and cut it out. Let me open up the band. You can see how I did that. I sandwiched this skirt in between this band, kind of put it inside in between. I'll go ahead and top stitch it. That is how I fix my band. I'll go ahead and fix the side zip, and we're done for this one. This is very easy to make 360-degree skirt, and it turned out very neat and beautiful. You can see that I also hem the down part all the way to make it neat and beautiful. All you need to do now is to go ahead and iron it flat to make it come out well and neat. This is how to cut and sew 360-degree skirt flare, and it turned out very neat and beautiful. Thank you so much for your time. If you have watched to this point, I have to thank you. Please share my videos, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you next on my next video. I'm still Naked Handmade. Bye bye for now.